Agile, unconventional, and unmistakably BMW. The spiffy 2015 i3 electric drive subcompact hatchback proves that being green can be both an economical way to buzz around the city as well as a range anxiety-free experience cruising down the highway. There are two trims available, i3 and i3 with range extender. For 2015, the i3 adds DC fast charging capability, heated front seats, and satellite radio to its substantial list of standard equipment. Extensive use of aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced plastic for chassis and cabin structures contributes to a low overall weight that helps the i3 extend its driving range. Premium exterior equipment includes LED headlights and tail lights. Rear coach doors conceal a pillarless body structure that affords easy entry and exit to the rear seats. Inside, the instrument panel surround and door trim use renewable plant materials, while the dashboard wood trim is made from responsibly forested eucalyptus. The cockpit layout gives the driver easy access to controls, including the 3 selectable drive modes, Comfort, Eco Pro, and Eco Pro Plus, while the 4-seat design provides ample passenger space. The absence of a transmission tunnel makes it easy to slide through the vehicle to exit from the passenger side. Powering the i3 is a 170 horsepower electric motor delivering an instantaneous 184 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels through a single-speed transmission. A lightweight 22 kilowatt lithium-ion battery provides power to the motor. Real-world driving range is 80 to 100 miles on a full charge. DC fast charging provides an 80% range in 20 minutes, while a 220-volt charging station fully recharges the 1.3 in about 3 hours. The range extender trim incorporates a small 2-cylinder gasoline-powered motor which generates electricity that extends the driving range by charging the batteries but does not directly power the wheels. Here are the estimates for miles per gallon equivalent fuel economy. Standard safety features on the 2015 i3 include the carbon fiber reinforced plastic car body that creates a safer space for occupants than traditional materials due to its ability to absorb large amounts of energy in a crash, yet show very little deformation. The i3 is backed by a 4-year 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 4-year 50,000-mile powertrain warranty. An easy-to-drive, easy-to-park compact hatchback, the all-electric 2015 BMW i3 travels the path less taken, leaving a small footprint with a big impression.